Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 4th of July themed eyeshadow look. I am wearing a hat because my hair literally, it's like sticking out in 10 different places and it's not having it. So anyways, yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup looks for the 4th of July. I'll be using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette and then the Morphe X James Charles palette to do this look. Yeah, so I guess let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is prime your eyelids, which I'm just using concealer to do. I use the Tarte Shape Tape. It's the same one that I use to conceal my under eyes. Can I talk today? Apparently not. And I'm just taking a sponge and dabbing it all over my eye and the outer edges of my eye. Piece of hair. But that's just getting them nice and ready to apply. So whenever I do this look, I start with red on the inner corner, white, and then blue, and I always go in and then like move outwards. I don't know why. That's just what I have always done for it. So for the red, I'm going to use the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to use the shade Prick. I'm going to just use this Cactus brush by Tarte. I'm going to pack it on the brush, and then I'm going to pack it on my eyelid. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. The edges don't need to be completely perfect because we're going to blend everything together once we have the other colors on. So now I'm going to, for the white, go in with this Eco Tools concealer brush. This just like tends to pick up really well, and I'm going to use the shade Glucose once again from the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. Okay, so that's what that looks like. The white actually applied really well with that concealer brush, so I might go back in with it to put some more red on my inner corner part. Now we're going to use the James Charles palette, and I don't have the thing in here anymore that tells me the shade names, but I'm just going to use this like really dark blue. It's the 4th one in on the left on the bottom row. Yeah, so I'm going to use that concealer brush again. I'm going to like do a color changey thing on it. I have one of those like things that you swirl your brush in. And yes, I'm going to do that blue, and that's just going to go on the outer part right here. So now I'm going to use an Avon brush, and you could leave it like this if you wanted to. I mean, there's nothing wrong with how it looks right now, but I'm going to blend the outer edge and then just in between these just a little bit to kind of make the color a little more cohesive. So, this is what we're looking like at this point. From here, there's about 100 different things you could do to add to this look. So I'm going to start by doing the exact same colors on my lower lash line to give it like an extra little oomph. So I'm going to start with the blue, if I can get this palette back open. Okay, so now I have my NYX glitter glue and I have the NYX silver glitter, it's number 10. That is just the silver glitter. So I'm going to just put some in the lid. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do my winged eyeliner first, and then I'm going to do a glitter in my inner corner and then along the lower lash line as well. So let's do it. Okay, these wings are not even and they kind of look terrible, but we're just gonna ignore that for the purposes of this video. I don't feel like redoing them or fixing them, so now we're going to take the glitter glue. I'm going to use this really tiny brush. I don't know where it's from. It came in a pack of brushes that my grandma bought me one year for Christmas. I just put the glitter glue on the back of my hand like so, and then I use the brush. Now I think I'm going to actually make this white glitter for this one. I have done that in the past, but not recently. One year I did glitter liner, so that was fun. But really, this look is just all Okay. So this is the finished eye look. I would usually pair this with a red lip, and then that would be, I would have all of my other makeup on too. But I'd pair it with a red lip, and that would be what I would do. Yeah, so I think it looks pretty cute. I don't know about you. This is probably how I'm gonna do it for the 4th. My train of thought is just like gone from the station. Doesn't exist anymore. Don't know where it went. Don't know when it'll be back. Just said see you later, alligator. Yeah, but if you did like that video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I want to try and do more, well, me just putting my brushes in the bag did nothing because when I moved the bag, they all fell out. Anyways, I want to try and do more makeup videos. I did my watermelon sugar inspired makeup look at the beginning, 2 weeks ago? I don't know. Sometime this month. Well, depending on when this is going up, it might be last month. Sometime in June, it went up. And I think I want to try and start doing like weekly tutorials where I pick like a different fruit of the summer to base my makeup off of. This makeup originally was inspired the first year I did it by like those rocket pop things that are red, white, and blue. I did like a brighter teal blue, if that's the right word, teal, yeah. Yikes. Anyways, if you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more makeup videos, just let me know down in the comments, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more of things like this. Yeah, that's about it for this one. I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you are having a great, wonderful week leading up to the 4th of July, and I hope you guys have a wonderful time on the 4th of July. I will see you in the next one. Bye.